Hi guys, I'm Steve from KFL Kids Fun and Learn. Welcome to Jeev and Steev's Easy Math Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to add 3 and 4 digit numbers. So, if you have not seen part 1 where I taught you guys how to add 1 and 2 digit numbers, please click the link in the description below. When we learn by watching a video, it helps us remember better because we are listening and seeing at the same time. In this video series, I will cover all the basic maths from grade 1 to 3. So please do subscribe and share our channel. Let us start how to add 3 and 4 digit numbers. So, maths are not hard, okay? The main thing I need you guys to do is practice. After you watch this video and learn how to do it, practice at home. Because in this video I'm just teaching you how to do it. And if you need to, please rewatch some parts that you think you need help on, okay? So, let's start. So I'm gonna start with some smaller numbers, okay? How about 110 plus 45? Okay? 110 plus 45. This is a 2-digit number, this is a 3-digit number. Okay? Because it has 1, 2, 3 digits. To add these, like before, we need to stack them on top of each other, okay? So let's do that. Remember, when you're stacking numbers on top of each other, put the bigger number on top and the smaller one on the bottom, because it will be easier to add. Okay? So, 110 plus 45. Okay? A line underneath, and let's add. So, what is 0 plus 5? Well, we know 0 is like nothing. Okay? So what's nothing plus 5? Well, we know that's just 5. Put a 5 underneath. What is 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 is 5. And what's 1 plus nothing? So what's a 0? What's 1 plus 0? And we know that's just itself. So put a 1 down. So, we already added a 3-digit number to a 2-digit number. So 110 plus 45 equals 155. So, as you saw here, it's the same steps, okay? Nothing different. Just adding bigger numbers, which isn't much of a difference. Okay? So, I will give you guys lots of practice in this video, and each time I'll give you bigger numbers, okay? So let's try 2 3-digit numbers. 224 plus 108. Okay? So first we have to write it like this. Bigger number on top, okay? Smaller number on bottom. Put a line underneath and a plus sign. Okay? What is 4 plus 8? I know that's 12, because if you start at 8 and add 4 more, it will equal 12. So I'll show you that with my fingers. Start at 8 and let's add 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I added 4 more. So 4 plus 8 is 12. So, like before, you put the first digit, which is 2, here, and the second digit goes up here. Okay? So what's 1 plus 2 plus 0? We know 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 0 is just 3. So you put a 3 just down here. Okay? Now it's 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 224 plus 108 equals 332. Okay? Let's do some more problems. How about 327 plus 234? Okay? Now let's write this down with bigger number on top, smaller number on bottom. Okay, line underneath, plus sign, and let's add. So what's 7 plus 4? I know that's 11, because let's start at 7 and add 4 more, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Add 4 more. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So first digit goes here, second digit goes up here, and let's add more. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So we put a 6 right here. And 3 plus 2, you know that's 5. So again, put a 5 just down here. So 327 plus 234 equals 561. How about let's try some bigger numbers. Okay, so how about 487 plus 286. So let's write it down like this. 7 plus 286. Line underneath, and let's add. What's 7 plus 6? Well, we can use our fingers. Let's start at 7 and add 6 more. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Added 6 more. So 7 plus 6 is 13. First digit here, second digit up here, and let's add. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 9 plus 8, well, we can use our fingers for that. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Added 8 more to 9, and that was equaled 17. So 7 here, 1 here. What's 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4, we know that's 5. And what's 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. So we put the 7 just here. Okay? So 487 plus 286 equals 773. Let's start adding some 4-digit numbers. Okay? So 1215 plus 426. So this is a 4-digit number, okay? Has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So just like before, we use the same kind of format and add it like that. So let's write it down. 1215 plus 426. Line underneath, and let's add. What's 5 plus 6? Well, we can start from 6 and add 5 more, okay? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So first digit here, second digit up here, and let's add. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we put the 4 here. 2 plus 4 is 6, okay? And 1 plus 0, because there's nothing here, is just 1. Okay? And remember, when you're writing this, make sure everything is aligned. 1 digit here, 2 digits here, 3 digits here, 4 digits here, so that it stays organized. Okay? So 1215 plus 426 is 1641. Same steps. Okay? So we will add more 4-digit numbers like this, and it will get bigger each time. Let's try 2 4-digit numbers, like 2635 plus 1526. So let's add these. 2635 plus 1526. 5 plus 6. Let's add that using our fingers. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 here, the other one up here, and let's add. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5, just like we did here, is 11. Okay, so first digit here, second digit up here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 2635 plus 1526 is 4161. How about let's try some bigger 4-digit numbers, so you guys can get better practice. And if you need to, please rewind the video if you want to rewatch a part, because that will help you if you have trouble remembering, okay? So, how about 7,279 plus 2,868. So, let's write down like this. $868. Line underneath, and let's add. 9 plus 8, we can use our fingers. Let's start 9 and add 8 more. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. And 8 plus 6, well, we can use our fingers again. So, let's start at 8 and add 6 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 goes here, 1 goes here. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 8, use our fingers. Let's start at 8 and add 3 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. So one here, the other one goes up here. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Just put a 10 like this. Okay? So, let's add more. So, I'm gonna do one more problem, okay? And this is gonna be like a bonus question. Let's try 1,248 plus 6,525 plus 534. Okay? So, exactly like before. Bigger number on top, smaller number on bottom. 5 plus 1,248 plus 534. Find underneath and we add. 5 plus 8, we can use our fingers. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 13 plus 4 is 17. 7 here, 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 here, and 1 here. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 5, well, we can use our fingers. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we write 13 down here. 3 and put the 1 up. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 7 plus 1, we all know that's 8. So we put an 8 down here. So 6,525 plus 1,248 plus 534 equals 8,307. Okay? So, no matter how many digits you're adding, we write it like this, okay? Because that will really help you. No matter how big the number you're adding may be, do it the way I taught you, okay? Because you just have to repeat the same steps over and over again until you reach the end. And also, as I always say, please practice more and more. And ask your parents to help you with these kind of problems if you need help, okay? Because, like I say, the more you practice, the better you'll be at maths. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really did, please share this video to your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more content like this. In our next video, I will be teaching you guys how to subtract 1 and 2 digit numbers. So until then, your friend Steve is signing off. Take care and bye.